Hi, Year 11. I know that was a lot of writing first period, so we're going to take a little break from writing in period 2 and practice your secondary research skills. You have one task for this lesson, and that's to create an infograph. I'd like you to choose one celebration that happens in both Australia and Japan and create an infograph that compares how these celebrations occur. You can create your infograph in Canva or a different program that works for you, but it should end up being a poster style infograph that makes it really clear the differences and similarities of that event between the two cultures. You need to consider things like how people dress, the words used, the food and customs, any non-verbal cues that happen during the event. And some events you could look at include weddings, funerals, New Year's Eve, Christmas, birthdays, etc. Or you can pick something else. We're very flexible on what it is you choose. There's some really quirky different things that the Japanese do for a lot of these. So, for example, Christmas in Japan isn't very big, but their main food for Christmas is KFC. So that's very different to perhaps an Australian Christmas, which might be a traditional English style with like a turkey and veggies, or a Australian barbecue and salad sort of an affair. So you can choose any of those celebrations, and you need to create an infograph. You need to do some really good secondary research, look at a few different sources, make some good choices about the sources that you use. Are they valid, useful, reliable sources? And then you need to upload your infograph by the end of the lesson.